Welcome to Getembe Electricals. Today we are going to show you how to repair a Lorenzentti Undersink instant water heater that is placed under the sink to give you hot water while washing your utensils. And now we are going to show you how to repair it, how it's fixed. Now this is our undersink. I'm showing you a Lorenzentti one. So first you will connect it just like the ordinary instant shower. This wire here, green, will connect it to earth, and the other two wires to live and neutral. Then there's this cover. This cover, you remove it, you unlock it from here. A lot of people don't know where the element is found. That's what they told me. They buy new ones when they blow up, but they can be repaired. That's what I'm showing you today. You unclip these clips. It's a little bit difficult, but you open up like that. So before you do anything else, you check the terminals. It has two coils, just like the instant shower. So you remove this knob first to give you ample time to check the terminals. There's this spring here. This spring you must be careful so you don't lose it, otherwise this shower will be useless without that spring. So this is our neutral, and then this is our live. So neutral and our live the other side, and then we have this black wire which connects the first coil to the next. So you check first these terminals. You can see that terminal is not burnt, it's very much okay. Then you look at the second terminal. So it's not bad, it's okay. So you check this third terminal, can see it's very okay as well. So we don't have a problem around here. So this side it's very much okay. So you return this knob of yours for regulating. You regulate from hot water, cold, like that. Then I'm going to show you how it works here. So you take it back. As you can see, when you turn it to the full side, number 2, so it will push that clip like that, and that they will get into contact. That means you have very hot water. When you turn it back like this, now you are using one coil, that is warm water, and then when you turn it further, it's off now. So this area is okay. So we want to check the element. So this is where a lot of electricians get a problem. They don't know how to open this place. So you push this side like that, and then it's a little bit difficult like that. Then you push this other side, it's also a little bit difficult. That's why a lot of electricians don't know where the element of this undersink is. So after pushing like that, you remove this lid. This lid here covers the top area where the element is. So you remove that, and then you remove this small rubber you are seeing here, and then you use either your tester or anything to pull this element. So the element is here. I know a lot of you are surprised. This element is here. You buy as a whole, and as you can see, this element is the one that has burnt, or rather it's the one that is faulty, or rather it has blown out. It is supposed to be like this. You reach at the end there, and it's supposed to have a clip like the other one. So this is the element. You will buy it as it is. You will come and just fix it back. But I want to show you how these terminals are. You have this center terminal, then we at this hole here, you have another terminal, and then this one, and then you have the third terminal here for the second coil, or rather the second part of the element. So you buy this element, they are available in shops, and then you just return back like this. That was the faulty place, the element blew out, so you return this rubber to prevent water from coming through this area. Then you clip it back like that, and then you push back these protectors. It's a little bit difficult to push it, so you push these clips, plastic clips like this, and the other one just like we removed it, and then you return the front lid, or rather the front cover, like that, and now your knee, so it's okay. Like and subscribe for the next videos. Thank you.